Hello and welcome to the Health Watch Daily channel. Today, we're discussing one of the most essential minerals for our health, zinc. Zinc is a trace element that plays a crucial role in many of our body's functions, including immune system, wound healing, and cell division. Unfortunately, zinc deficiency is a common problem, and many people don't even know they're deficient. In this video, we'll discuss the signs of zinc deficiency and the best benefits of zinc. But before we get started, we wanted to let you know that we have a special bonus for you at the end of this video. So make sure to stay tuned until the very end for some extra motivation and inspiration. We promise it will be worth it. Now, let's get started with the signs of zinc deficiency and the best benefits of zinc. Zinc deficiency can lead to a wide range of health problems, including weakened immune system, poor wound healing, skin problems, and poor sense of taste and smell. Let's take a look at some of the most common signs of zinc deficiency. Number 1. Slow wound healing. Zinc plays a crucial role in cell division and cell growth, which are necessary for the healing of wounds. If you have a slow wound healing time, it could be due to a lack of zinc in your body. One example of this could be athletes who engage in intense physical activity and have a higher need for zinc, as they are more likely to get cuts and bruises. It's important for them to consume enough zinc-rich foods like oysters, beef, and pumpkin seeds to ensure they are getting enough to support their wound healing process. Number 2. Skin problems. Zinc is necessary for the production of collagen, which is a protein that gives skin its structure and strength. When there is a lack of zinc, skin becomes more prone to skin problems like acne, eczema, and other skin irritations. An example of this is when people with acne and eczema use topical zinc-based treatments, as they have been found to reduce inflammation and improve skin health. Number 3. Poor sense of taste and smell. Zinc plays a role in the functioning of the olfactory receptors in our noses and the taste buds on our tongues. If you find that your sense of taste or smell has decreased, it could be due to a deficiency in zinc. An example of this is when people who have a decreased sense of taste or smell due to a zinc deficiency experience an improvement in their sense of taste and smell after incorporating zinc-rich foods into their diet. Number 4. Weak immune system. Zinc is essential for a healthy immune system, and a deficiency can lead to frequent infections and illnesses. One example of this is when people who have a weakened immune system due to a zinc deficiency are more likely to get sick during the winter months. By consuming zinc-rich foods like chicken, legumes, and nuts, they can help support their immune system and reduce the risk of frequent infections. So, why is zinc so important for our health? Let's take a look at some of the best benefits of zinc. Immune system support. A strong immune system is essential for fighting off infections and illnesses. Zinc plays a critical role in the functioning of our immune system. Studies have shown that zinc can reduce the duration and severity of colds and flu, and can also improve the function of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting infections. If you have a weak immune system, it's important to make sure that you're getting enough zinc in your diet. Wound healing. Zinc is a critical nutrient for the healing process. When you get a cut or bruise, your body needs zinc to help produce new cells and tissues. If you're deficient in zinc, your wounds may take longer to heal and be more susceptible to infection. If you're someone who is frequently injured or who has a history of slow wound healing, you may benefit from increasing your zinc intake. Skin health. Our skin is the largest organ in our body, and it's constantly exposed to the elements. Zinc is important for maintaining healthy skin and can help prevent skin problems like acne and eczema. Zinc is thought to help regulate oil production in the skin, which can reduce inflammation and prevent breakouts. If you have skin problems, incorporating more zinc-rich foods into your diet or taking a zinc supplement can help improve your skin health. Eye health. As we age, our eyes are vulnerable to a variety of conditions, including age-related macular degeneration and cataracts. Zinc is essential for maintaining eye health, and a deficiency in zinc can increase your risk of these conditions. Eating a diet that is rich in zinc-rich foods and taking a zinc supplement can help support eye health and protect your vision as you age. Fertility and pregnancy. Zinc is important for both male and female fertility, and a deficiency can lead to problems with conception and pregnancy complications. Zinc is involved in the production of sperm and eggs, and it's also important for maintaining a healthy pregnancy. If you're trying to conceive or are pregnant, it's important to make sure that you're getting enough zinc in your diet. In conclusion, zinc is an essential nutrient for our health, and a deficiency can lead to a wide range of health problems. Whether you're trying to improve your immune system, support wound healing, or maintain healthy skin and eyes, making sure that you're getting enough zinc in your diet is critical. Now, let's get to that bonus we promised you earlier. Our mission is to improve your health and well-being by empowering you to make sustainable lifestyle choices. That's why we've put together a list of some of the best items that can help you achieve your health and wellness goals. We all want to feel good and live a happy and healthy life. But when the day starts, we may feel groggy, with a headache, and feeling bloated. We may feel sluggish and worn out, or struggle with fatigue, brain fog, mood swings, and mental slowness, among other conditions. You can significantly improve your quality of life by checking the resources in the description and choosing the ones that are most suited to your current needs. Join the thousands of people who are experiencing vibrant health and living their best lives. Check the links in the description, and thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more great content. We post new videos every day, so hit that notification bell to make sure you don't miss out. Thanks again, and we'll see you in the next one.